8, 9, 10, 21. Give him the sledgehammer. Whoa, whoa, no peeking. No peeking.
Go! Go!
I just thought of him letting go. That's awful.
Okay, no, let go. Gonna let go. Whoa! I thought I was gonna hit it. You almost just hit the mirror. Forrest!
Throws the sledgehammer. He just threw a sledgehammer at our computers.
Do not throw
Well,
it.
if you made me think there was a bomb in it, then I wouldn't fucking be nervous.
There's not a bomb.
We got you, Coronas.
Happy birthday! We got you a bunch of
There was
beers.
gonna be something that really exploded.